Bagong simula, bagong kwento. Welcome to URS Pililla Campus.
Good day, Giants! We are here at University of Rizal System Pililla Campus in Nares Cover Court for the orientation program with a theme, New Students, Kick Off Your Journey with Purpose. This event is spearheaded by the Office of the Student Development Services to welcome the freshmen and transferees this year, 2025.
Layunin ng orientation na ipakilala sa ating mga freshmen at transferees ang iba't ibang mga offices, programs at services ng ating university na tiyak na makakatulong sa kanilang academic journey.
That's right. Kasama rin sa orientation ang mga pagpapakilala ng rules and regulations, student support services at iba pang opportunities para mas maging handa at guided ang ating mga bagong Red Hawks sa kanilang college life.
Sa vlog na to, makikilala natin ang iba't ibang mga university at campus officials, faculty at staff. Malalaman din natin ang iba't ibang mga rules and regulations ng ating university. At syempre, iisa-isahin din natin ang mga support services na available para sa inyong mga estudyante. Kaya naman, tara, let's watch this! Okay, so since nakakailang days na rin naman kayo dito, so what are the services or programs so far na na-experience mo?
Yung register po, like, nung first day ko po kasi, lead enrollee po kasi ako, so parang wala po akong room na, and wala po akong schedule na na-receive. So, nagpatulong po ako sa register para makakuha po ng COR. Ayun po, nakatulong naman po sila, tapos na-assist naman po agad ako.
What services or programs na ang nararanasan mo dito so far?
Gaya ng as a first year, naranasan na rin natin ang good quality na sinasabi nga ng iba na magagaling ang mga guro sa URS, magagaling ang mga tao sa URS. Well, na-experience naman na natin yan, gaya ng sa enrollment, well-assessed tayo, magaganda ang given instruction, and as far naman is maganda rin ang pamamalakad nila sa school as we all see naman and experience.
Kamusta naman ang first day mo sa URS Pililla Campus?
So far, medyo overwhelming po since ang influx po ng mga projects po namin so far is padami na po ng padami, but I think I'll be okay.
Kamusta ang first few days mo dito sa University of Rizal System Pililla?
Nung unang araw po, nakakapagod po kasi simula 7 hanggang 6 po. And nakakapanibago po sa akin kasi po nasanay po ako ng half day lang po.
This marks not just the beginning of the academic year, but also the start of a meaningful experiences and opportunities for our new students.
Once again, welcome to University of Rizal System Pililla Campus. May you continue to pursue your goals and create a purposeful journey ahead.
Congratulations and best of luck to all new students. Let's all look forward to a productive and inspiring school year.
This is Justin Manalo.
And I am Mia Let Miranda.
And we are the Real Aces.